And here we are. We are in West Palm Beach at the Hyatt Place, 295, Lakeview Ave and South Olive. The pool is.
There's no pool here.
Oh, that's a bummer.
I found an El Camino's.
Huh?
I found an El Camino's. Mexican.
Say it again.
What?
I found an El Camino's. Is it the same place as Lauderdale? Let's go. Hundley, Hundley. I don't know where to go. I'm going to follow you. Chop, chop. Here we go. We found an El Camino's in Fort Lauderdale. They had an awesome cheese dip. Look at this. I love tall buildings. Sea tracks, think train. And we found it, El Camino's. So we need just to go up the stairs. This is nice. Look at this. Italy is Italy. That's coming soon. Let's look at the menu. I've seen a lot of those advertised. And away we go. Okay, here we go. This is a cool stairway. Hi everybody, we are here at El Camino's in West Palm Beach. Here is our server.
Sandro, nice to meet you guys. Everybody at home, we're going to be taking care of these lovely people this afternoon. If you guys want to get started with anything to drink or any chips and salsa, please let me know. I'm happy to help you get started.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And our drinks have arrived. Glen got a Mexican beer and I got a watermelon margarita. There's chips. Do not try the red sauce. It is really hot. And we are at El Camino in West Palm Beach. We are sitting right next to the bar. Little kid on a scooter in the restaurant. Here he comes, Jordan. Glen's food has arrived. We have beans, fried rice, Spanish rice, enchilada, and pico de gallo, sour cream, and quesadilla. And then this is the the sauce, the hot sauce that we've always brought home from Fort Lauderdale. Thank you. Can we have the check, please? Look at how beautiful this is. This is right down the street from El Camino. Kids are in the water. And right behind us is the city cellar, wine bar and grill.